Hi everyone. Last time we talked about the sliders, and this time I'm going to talk about the progress. The progress bar are not like sliders. The sliders you can press on the slider and slide it, but the progress bar is only for showing the progress. As we can see, there are unidirectional progress bar and bidirectional progress bar. And let's come to the details. Here we can set the name, the ID, the tag, the group number of it, and X, Y are coordinate of the progress bar. And we can set the width, the height, and radius of it. Here is to set the opacity, the transparency. Stack is to set a tier. And here we can choose to hide the progress bar or show the progress bar. Here we can disable the progress bar or enable the progress bar. The orientation here, we can set it to horizontal, vertical, horizontal flipped, or vertical flipped. And here is to set the default value of the progress bar. Here we can set a minimum and a maximum value of the progress bar. An event here, we only can add click event for it. If we add a click event, the event will execute it when you click the progress bar. And here are some details of the progress bar. Here we can set different appearance of different status for the progress bar. And we can set a background. We can change the color, or we can set an image for it, or we can add a link for it. Here we can change it to blue. And here is to set a red background. Is this part. Here we can change the color. We can change it to green, or we can set an image, or we can add a link. Here is to set a border. Here we can change the appearance. We can set a size. Oops. Here we can change the border's color. And here is to set the shadow type. We can set the shadow shown inside the progress bar or outside the progress bar. And here we can set the shadows horizontal shift, vertical shift, blur, and size. Here we can change the color of the shadow. And here we can choose to show text or hide the text. If we show the text is the value of the progress bar. Here we can set the font of it. We can set the size. Set it to bold text. Set it to italic. And add an underline. Or change the color. Here we can set the horizontal offset and vertical offset.